Wanganui Black Power gang members shot dead a Mongrel mob rival living stubbornly in their midst, a jury has been told. Kevin Neihana Ratana, 27, a Mongrel mob member, had been a very visible rival in the Castlecliff area of the city that the Black Power considered its territory, a jury at the High Court in Wellington was told on Tuesday. Defying the Black Power gang would have deadly consequences, prosecutor Chris Wilkinson Smith said, outlining the Crown's case at the start of the trial. Wanganui Black Power President Damien Kuru, 41, and senior member Gordon Anthony Runga, 37, have each pleaded not guilty to charges of murdering Ratana on August 21, 2018. Ratana, who performed rap music under the name Kastro, was in a relationship with a woman who lived in the Castlecliff area, about 300 meters from the Black Power headquarters where Kuru lived. Kastro didn't even try to hide his presence, and that was unacceptable to the Black Power members. On the morning of August 21, 2018, 4 men set off on foot from the gang headquarters, and more in cars. The group had 2 shotguns. The men on foot were shouting gang slogans and saying they wanted to kill Kastro. His car parked outside his partner's house was then attacked, and he came a couple of steps out the door of the house before being shot in the neck, killing him instantly. The Crown said it was Runga who used a shotgun firing solid slug ammunition that killed Kastro. Shotgun pellets were also fired at the house, hitting high on the front. Kastro carried his own small cut-off shotgun, but it was not fired. For the Black Power, the flames had been fanned a week earlier when 2 had seen Kastro in a car and went for him with steel poles. But Kastro emerged from the car with a shotgun and the 2 had fled, humiliated. Black Power slogans were shouted at night outside the house where Kastro stayed, but he didn't buckle. Although there were now only 2 men on trial, others had pleaded guilty to manslaughter charges, and 1 had pleaded guilty to murder. For Kuru, lawyer Paul Keegan said Kuru's defense was that he had nothing to do with the shooting. And by nothing, I mean absolutely nothing. Not there, took no part in it, and knew nothing about it until after it happened, Keegan said. The Crown's theory was that because Kuru was the president he must have ordered the attack, but there was no evidence of that, he said. Instead, the evidence would be that the day after the shooting he was very angry, and demanded to know what had happened and who was responsible. For Runga, lawyer Kerry Parkin said the case for Runga was that he was not present at the shooting, either on foot or in one of the cars, did not have a firearm and did not discharge any. On Monday during preliminary remarks, Justice Rebecca Ellis told the jury of 6 men and 6 women that there were still gang tensions on both sides, but they were a backdrop to the case. Over the 6 weeks trial, 120 witnesses will testify, including eyewitnesses, police staff, scientists, gang experts, and a Black Power member who was involved in the killing but has been granted Crown immunity in exchange for testifying.